In this video, I am going to tell you how to host Hostel Management System online. Before that, if you haven't watched my previous project setup video, then please watch and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. I have provided the source code of every project. So without wasting the time, let's start. First of all, you visit my GitHub profile. The link of the GitHub profile is given in the description. So here you type GitHub and just write my name. That is Sayed 207. Press enter. After that, just scroll down and click on this one, Sayed Hostel Online. After that, it will redirect you to this page. Now simply just download this in a zip format. Okay, the file is been downloaded. Now what you need to do is you need to locate the file. So here is the zip file we have downloaded right now. So what you need to do is just extract it like this. After that, just click on extract and click extract and just wait for a second and it will download your file. Now this is what we need. Now again go to the Chrome and here you type Hostinger to host this application online. So we write here hostinger.com. Now here you click on login section and it will redirect you to this page. Now wait for some time. If you have not hosted your website, if you have not buy any domain, then buy a hostinger.com. It is very nice, right? And beside that, you will get the subdomain also to put your applications online. So we'll minimize this. After that, we'll go in the website section. Just click on it, and after this, we'll create a new database and project over here. So for that, we'll add here and we'll click on empty, and after that we just wait for a few seconds. Now here we write hostel.trendsxyz.com, and after that it is a subdomain, so it is free for me. Means that if you have bought a one domain, then you will get a subdomains for free. Now click next. So it will take some time to initialize. Just be patient and wait. After it complete, it will give you a dashboard something like this, and here you can see the file manager and database section is there. So we'll need to upload the file, so we'll click on file manager section. Now after that, it will take some time. It is redirecting. Just wait for a while. Yes, and after that you will get this type of interface. Just click on public.html. Now just copy the file from where you have left here. So this is your file, right? So just open it and just open this. Don't paste the folder, okay? It will not work. Means that you have to go in a directory like that. And after this, copy this, you go in this section and just drag it like this. After that, it will take some time. As you can see here, the 45 files were there. Now 15 remaining. Now just wait until the file get uploaded. Okay, our file gets uploaded. What you need to do is, now we will set up the database. So we'll click on the database over here, and now it will take some time, and after that we create one database. So what is the name of the database? The name of the database is Amog. Now here root one is a username and the password is, as you can see here, say 1 2 3 4 5, any random password you can take here. So for now I will take root 2, okay, because I have already taken a root 1 in a previous project. Now what I will do is I'll create a database. So database name must be unique. So I'll write here amog1. So I'll create here. So it is causing some issue, so we'll delete the previous database. So for that we'll just click here and just delete it. Just delete this. You need not to delete this database. Okay, so after this we'll again create the database with the same name. We'll remove this one and create this. So the database will successfully create. After this, you scroll down and see here the database is already created. Now here we can see the database name provided by this online hosting website and MySQL username, right? So we need to take this username and password to our website. So how we'll do that? For that, we'll copy this database name here, and again we will visit to our public HTML. Over here in the we'll search for the header.php. So here we'll find the header.php, and here we'll paste that database name. So here we'll paste Control V. Now after that, we'll again move back. We'll search for the username. So we'll copy this username and copy. After that, we'll paste over here. Now after pasting that, we'll again move back and check for the password. Now previously we have created here a password, as you have already seen. So we'll write the password. Whatever password you have provided, you can put over there. So I'll write here, say 1 2 3 4 5. Now just save it. After that, we are done with everything. Now we'll move here and click on enter PHP MyAdmin. Now it will open a SQL database over here, as you can see here. And now just cross it. Now here we have to assign the total number of columns here. So for that, we will import the database. To import the database, just click on choose file, and after that there must be some files over there. So in the download section, just click on Hostel Online. So just click on it, click on this, and after this we'll scroll down and we will find Amog one. This is our database. Just open it, and just import this. So for importing, just click on import. So our database is successfully imported. Now what we need to do is, the setup is completed. Now we'll move one step back over here, and again we will visit in a website section. Now in a website section, what you need to do is just click on this link to check everything's work perfect. So after this, we'll write a name, that is amog@gmail.com, and a password, that is 12345. Now just log in, and boom, you are logging into the system. And if you visit users, the users are not available, we'll create one user here. So to create user, just write the name and select the room over here, and after this just write the date of entry over here and submit it. You can see a new user is been added to our online database, as you can see here, hostel.trendsxyz.com. Now in a payment section, you have a variety of things over here. You can explore it. Like for example, if I paid amount is 1000 and remaining balance is 2000 and the date is today's date, and just submit it. You can see here the remaining balance is 2000. You can also view this summary. So to view summary, you will see something like this. Now here 1700 rent is there, 1000 paid, remaining balance is 2000. Now let's see how this information is fetching from the database, or how it is storing. So for that, we'll log into the online database. Now here you can see admin, user, house, payment, and users. Now here when you click on admin users, you can see here the username and password for the admin user. Now for the payment we have made right now, you can see here the payment ID, name, mobile number, every details are mentioned here, and from here only all the information are being fetched here. Now if you go back from this section, then here you can explore the room manage. Now here one person is already occupied, so here also one person is already been occupied. Now only 6 rooms are vacant. So in dashboard section, you can see here the vacant room is 6. You can add as much as the number of rooms here. Now all the things are automated by me over here. Now here you have already seen the payment section, room manage section, and user section, and dashboard section. In dashboard section also, if the room is vacant, then the room automatically it detects that the vacant room are 1, user is 1, and whoever has not given the total amount or remaining balance is there, that is fetched in the notice board. I hope you like this video, and it is hosted online. Okay, so if you want more videos, like and subscribe to my channel, so that I feel interested to make such type of content and provide a value to you.